welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for viewing. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like my videos. I'm giving you an insight into British Indian restaurant cooking. Exactly how we do things here from A to Z. So today we're going to be cooking a lamb Balti. Very, very popular. It's got a nice tangy taste to it. So let's get cooking. Okay, so we're going to do so we've got a couple of teaspoons of oil. Just want to let that a little bit warm up. Once it's warmed up, you've got your garlic ginger paste. Just about a teaspoon, teaspoon and a half. Again, that's what happens when you leave it too long in there, but just take it out. So once it's gone a little bit goldeny, you want to get your Bhuna-style onions, which is very thinly cut onions and peppers. And then once it's caramelised slightly, just add a couple of teaspoons of tomato puree. If it's starting to get stuck, just add a touch more oil. And then what you want to do is add a couple of teaspoons, a teaspoon of our desi style spice. And then make sure you put the gas on low when you put the spice in, because it's going to get stuck everywhere. Then we've got our pre-cooked lamb. Put as many pieces as you want. I'm going to put 3 or 4. It's only a demo. Normally we give about 6-7 pieces. Right. So for the Balti, you just need a little bit of Balti paste. And there, not too much, only about a teaspoon. Very strong, very tangy, quite bitter. So you don't want to overpower the dish. Let that cook in. Then you want to add your base gravy. So for the Balti, you want to add about half a pint of base gravy. If it dries up a little bit, you want to add a little bit more, but Balti is quite a dry dish. It's not too saucy. Now, if you see there, my lamb is done. It's quite soft, but the sauce is quite thick. So if you see, it's just looking a little bit flat colour-wise. So what you want to do is just add a touch of oil. Can you see that's just gave it that sheen, just lifted up the curry. Then you add a little bit of coriander, and then a couple of cuts tomatoes, give it a nice colour. I'm just going to say that's done. So when your lamb is nice, and soft, that's really breaking up nicely now. Sauce is thick, all the spices, everything's infused together. It's done. So it's ready to serve out in these nice Balti dishes. You can buy them anywhere. Just gives it that Balti look about it, rather than a normal curry pot. Serve it out, and then you add just a sprinkle of coriander. Can you see it's not really saucy? It's quite a dry dish. There you have it, guys. A lovely lamb Balti.